Good morning, everybody. I'm Alan Morrison. I'm a lawyer, and I'm not a scientist. As part of the planning process, we thought it would make sense at the beginning to set the framework for data sharing by talking about what I might call involuntary data sharing. That is, what the law actually requires agencies and people who are participating in the administrative process to do with their data before an agency can use it and turn it into a final agency action, typically in a rulemaking context. Our first speaker is Paul Verkuyl, who was the chairman of the Administrative Conference of the United States, which makes recommendations about administrative processes to the entire federal government. Paul is a longtime academic in the field of administrative law. He's been the dean at several law schools, the president of the university, and we are honored to have him as the chair of the Administrative Conference. Paul will set the overview. He's going to be followed by another person with intimate knowledge of what goes on actually in the government, and that is George Gray, who is now at the George Washington University School of Public Health. But most importantly, he served as an assistant administrator at the Environmental Protection Agency, where he had to deal with these issues all the time. I have only one more word I'd like to say. I take advantage of the podium here, and that is on the 1st of April, and that is the actual date. I am sponsoring a conference at George Washington University right up the road at the law school on the tension between academic freedom and state open government laws. As many of you know, many individuals who are faculty members at state universities are having their records requested under state open government laws that were never designed to deal with the problem of faculty, let alone with the electronic age. As a case pending in the Virginia Supreme Court, which we expected to have decided by now, involving a request for the records of Michael Mann, a scientist who was then at the University of Virginia, for all of his emails with 39 different people about climate change. The issues are extremely interesting and complicated. The conference is on April 1st. If you go to the George Washington University Law School website and type in academic freedom, you will get the information about how to register. There is no charge, but we ask you to let us know in advance if you're coming. Thank you very much. And Paul, you want to take it from here?